Welcome to my Learn Beginning English class. This is Lesson 9, Revised 2020. Thank you for watching. Lesson 9 of my Learn Beginning English class series is more practice with future tense and the verb to be. English and future time. It can be confusing when we talk about the future in English. There are several ways to talk about the future. Many students ask me, what is the correct tense to use when talking about the future? Most textbooks will give you complex and confusing rules. My best advice is to listen for specific future time words. And do not worry if you should use will, going to, or other tenses to talk about the future. The future information that you are talking about is basically the same, regardless of which future tense that you are using. Now, let's practice with the future tense. Words for future time. Tomorrow. Next. Next Monday. Next Tuesday. Next Wednesday. Next Thursday. Next Friday. Next Saturday. Next Sunday. Next week. Next month. Next year. On Monday. On Tuesday. On Wednesday. On Thursday. On Friday. On Saturday. On Sunday. In a second. In a minute. In an hour. In a day. In a week. In a month. In a year. The letter A means one. For more than one, for 2, 3, 4, you add an S. In 2 seconds. In 3 minutes. In 4 hours. In 5 days. In 6 weeks. In 7 months. In 8 years. I'm going to the library. This is present continuous tense. For the future, I need to add a time word. I'm going to the library next Saturday. I'm going to the library on Saturday. They are going to Seattle. Present continuous tense. For the future, I need to add a time word. They are going to Seattle in 2 days. She is going to the store. This is present continuous tense. For the future, I need time words. She is going to the store in an hour. Simple future tense. This first sentence, change it to the simple future tense with going to. I am going to go to the library next Monday. Or, I am going to go to the library on Monday. Now make this sentence future tense with will. They will go to Seattle in 2 days. Again, simple future tense with going to. She is going to go to the store in an hour. Now, future tense and to be. I am going to go to the library next Monday. Where are you going to go next Monday? To the library. I am going to be at the library next Monday. So the question, where are you going to be next Monday? And the answer, at the library. Who is going to be at the library next Monday? I am. When are you going to be at the library? Next Monday. I'm going to go to the library next Monday. I'm going to be at the library next Monday. Are you going to be at the library next Monday? Yes, I am. Future tense and to be. I will be at the library next Monday. Where will you be next Monday? At the library. Who will be at the library next Monday? I will. When will you be at the library? Next Monday. Will you be at the library next Monday? Yes, I will. Future tense and continuous. What will you be doing at the library on Monday? The verb to return. I will be returning books to the library on Monday. Who will be returning books to the library? I will. When will you be returning books to the library? On Monday. Where will you be returning books on Monday? To the library. What will you be returning to the library on Monday? Books. Where will you be on Monday? I will be at the library. What will you be doing at the library on Monday? I will be returning books to the library on Monday. Now here are 5 sentences about the future with the same information. I will be returning books to the library on Monday. This is future continuous tense. Number 2, I am going to be returning books to the library on Monday. This is future continuous tense. I will return books to the library on Monday. This is simple future tense. I am going to return books to the library on Monday. Simple future tense. I am returning books to the library on Monday. This is present continuous tense with a future time word. I am going to be returning books to the library on Monday. Future continuous tense. Now, the question with contractions. What are you going to be doing on Monday? What are you going to be doing on Monday? I'm going to be returning books to the library. When are you going to be returning books to the library? When are you going to be returning books to the library? I'm going to be returning books on Monday. I'm going to be returning books on Monday. What are you going to be returning to the library? What are you going to be returning to the library? I'm going to be returning books. I'm going to be returning books. Who's going to be returning books to the library? Who's going to be returning books to the library? I am. Future continuous tense with will. I'll be returning books to the library on Monday. What'll you be doing on Monday? Returning books. I'll be returning books to the library. When'll you be returning books to the library? When'll you be returning books to the library? On Monday. I'll be returning books on Monday. Where'll you be returning books? Where'll you be returning books? To the library. I'll be returning books to the library. I'll be. The question? Who'll be returning books to the library? I'll be. I'll return books to the library on Monday. Simple future tense with will. What'll you do on Monday? Return books. I'll return books to the library. When'll you return books to the library? When'll you return books to the library? On Monday. I'll return books on Monday. Where'll you return books? Where'll you return books? To the library. I'll return books to the library. The question? Who'll return books to the library? Who'll return books to the library? I will. Simple future tense with going to. I am going to return books to the library on Monday. Now, say the question with contractions. What are you going to do on Monday? Return books. Now the answer with contractions. I'm going to return books to the library. When are you going to return books to the library? When are you going to return books to the library? On Monday. I'm going to return books on Monday. I'm going to return books on Monday. Where are you going to return books? Where are you going to return books? To the library. I'm going to return books to the library. The question? Who's going to return books to the library? Who's going to return books to the library? I am. Future tense and to be. They will go to Seattle in 2 days. Where will they go in 2 days? To Seattle. They will be in Seattle in 2 days. Where will they be in 2 days? In Seattle. Who will be in Seattle in 2 days? They will. When will they be in Seattle? In 2 days. Will they be in Seattle in 2 days? Yes, they will. Future tense and continuous. What are they going to be doing in Seattle? The verb to eat. They're going to be eating dinner in the Space Needle. Who's going to be eating dinner in the Space Needle? They are. What are they going to be doing in the Space Needle? Eating dinner. Where are they going to be eating dinner? In the Space Needle. Five sentences about the future with the same information. Number 1, they will be eating dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days. Future continuous with will. Number 2, they are going to be eating dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days. Future continuous with going to. Number 3, they will eat dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days. Simple future with will. Number 4, they are going to eat dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days. Simple future with going to. Number 5, they are eating dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days. Present continuous with future time words. Now, I'm going to ask some questions. You tell me the sentence where the answer is. The answer for the first set of questions is in 2 days. When will they be eating dinner in the Space Needle? The answer is sentence number 1. When will they eat dinner in the Space Needle? Number 3. When are they eating dinner in the Space Needle? Number 5. When are they going to be eating dinner in the Space Needle? Number 2. When are they going to eat dinner in the Space Needle? Number 4. The next set of questions, the answer in the Space Needle. Where are they going to be eating dinner in 2 days? Sentence 2. Where are they going to eat dinner in 2 days? Sentence 4. Where will they be eating dinner in 2 days? Sentence 1. Where will they eat dinner in 2 days? Number 3. Where are they eating dinner in 2 days? Number 5. Now the answer will be they will or they are going to. Who will be eating dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days? Number 1, they will. Who will eat dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days? Number 3, they will. Who is eating dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days? Number 5, they are. Who is going to be eating dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days? Number 2, they are. Who is going to eat dinner in the Space Needle in 2 days? Number 4, they are. Five sentences about the future with the same information. Number 1, Mary will be buying food tomorrow. Future continuous with will. Number 2, Mary is going to be buying food tomorrow. Future continuous with going to. Number 3, Mary will buy food tomorrow. Simple future with will. Number 4, Mary is going to buy food tomorrow. Simple future with going to. Number 5, Mary is buying food tomorrow. Present continuous with a future time word. Now, there's the answer. Ask me the question. When will Mary be buying food? The question? When will Mary buy food? The question? When is Mary buying food? The question? When is Mary going to be buying food? The question? When is Mary going to buy food? The answer, food. What's the question? What is Mary going to be buying tomorrow? The question? What is Mary going to buy tomorrow? The question? What will Mary be buying tomorrow? The question? What will Mary buy tomorrow? The question? What is Mary buying tomorrow? The question? Who will be buying food tomorrow? The question? Who will buy food tomorrow? The question? Who is buying food tomorrow? The question? Who is going to be buying food tomorrow? The question? Who is going to buy food tomorrow? This is the end of Learn Beginning English Class Lesson 9 Revised. In Lesson 10, we will be studying more English with future tense. Notice I said will be studying, future continuous tense. Thank you for watching.